Hyenas are fearless creatures. They aren't the biggest, nor are they the fastest or the toughest, but they know how to fight. Most of the time, these creatures hunt in groups, taking full advantage of their numbers. They aren't flawless, but they get the job done most of the time. Hyenas are usually vulnerable when they are alone. Hyenas frequently chose the incorrect prey, resulting in unpleasant results. If you want to see those instances, kindly stay tuned because we'll show you 10 situations when hyenas messed with the wrong animals. Number 10. Warthog. The warthog is a medium-sized prey that many predators prefer. Since it is not too tough to catch, but fills them full. The main enemies of warthogs are leopards, lions, and hyenas. When a warthog becomes enraged, some hyenas don't have a chance. They snort and roar like a warrior, warning the hyenas not to anger such a powerful pig. Take a look at this lone warthog facing up against a pack of hyenas. The hyenas appear to have a comfortable lead, but the warthog is unconcerned. Take a look at how the warthog advances on the hyenas and sends them fleeing. Number 9. Python. Although animals are likely to engage with huge pythons, since their babies are on the menu, an adult hyena would most likely kill a python rapidly. Spotted hyenas are well-known scavengers who regularly consume the carcasses of other carnivores. Wildebeest and antelope are prey for pythons, which are formidable predators and expert hunters. If hyenas are hungry, they will almost certainly attack a python, and if they do so in a group, the python's prospects of survival are slim to none. In this video, this hyena appears to be tackling the wrong python since it appears like the hyena has been strangled to death, and is beginning its entrance into the python's body, because the snake has begun to swallow it. The hyena is dead because it isn't moving at all. Notice how wide the snake's mouth can open. This isn't something you see every day. Number 8. Lion. Lions have a lot of power. They are aware of this, but they are not invincible. Many nature clips depict lions being devoured by other animals, including hyenas. While they may be vanquished on occasion, they will also win a significant number of battles. Take a look at these lions. They don't like the fact that these hyenas are merely looking for a battle right now. Hyenas should know better than to bother these lions. Take a look at this lion kicking up dust while battling off a band of vicious hyenas. Even though it is stuck in the heart of their huddle, it manages to find a way out, all the while snarling and displaying bravery. In this video, a hyena, believing himself to be a champion, runs to fight a male lion. The male lion, who appears to be sleepy or sluggish, is unconcerned about this amusing hyena. When the lioness witnessed this, she became enraged and attempted to track down the hyena, but the hyena managed to flee. A rough day for the hyena began when a male lion who witnessed the act became irritated and chased after the hyena. Naturally, the hyena was terrified. The ferocious male lion dashed towards the hyena. The lion was able to touch the hyena's leg with his hand at one point. As a result, the hyena began to lose its equilibrium and eventually fell. This hyena, of course, died and became the lion's food. A male lion runs to ambush an unguarded hyena in another footage. It was too late for the hyena to notice the lion. The lion was able to catch the hyena, because it was too close and possibly because the hyena was shivering with terror. Number 7. Buffalo. A buffalo calf is being mauled by many hyenas in this video. The buffalo calf was unable to escape the hyena's powerful bite. Fortunately, its mother, who had seen it from afar, rushed in to assist. Despite this, the mother was still terrified of the hyenas. The buffalo herds, who were accustomed to come to the aid of their friends who were in danger, came to their aid once more. They surrounded the buffalo calf and prepared to attack any approaching hyenas. The hyenas decided that the risk they were taking was not worth it, and they eventually left. When buffalo are in herds, it's easy to understand how they'll snuggle together to fend off a band of hungry, laughing hyenas. To stand their ground, they rely on their strength and fearlessness. The hyenas flee as a result of this. Number 6. Wild dogs. Because a hyena and a wild dog are comparable in size, the combat is fairly even, but if a hyena messes with a wild dog, the wild dog will not be amused. It retaliates ferociously and will not stop until the hyena has had enough. We can see how vicious this struggle can be. Take a look at how the wild dogs single out and intimidate a hyena. They peck and bite until it finally surrenders. The hyena never had a chance against the wild dog. The wild dogs were soundly napping on a sunny day when an unwanted visitor arrived. The hyena arrived to sip water near the wild dog pack's base. When wild dogs witnessed their area being invaded by a lethal adversary, they became enraged and attacked the hyena. They pursued the hyena and attempted to bite it from every angle. The hyena, who is clearly superior to the wild dog in one-on-one combat, survives and battles on the edge of the lake. The wild dogs, who had been hesitant to attack, eventually congregated on the hill, waiting for the hyena to move away from the water and be attacked from all sides. They had to wait till the next day to see each other. Number 5. Rhino. Rhinos are a massive animal as well. These species resemble dinosaurs in appearance. They typically mind their own business and go about their days, but hyena packs like to tamper with their routine every now and then. It's go time for the hyenas when they see a rhino and they're hungry. When the rhino sees them, it understands that it must use all of its might to drive them away. Rhinos are superb at it because they make up for their lack of speed and agility with pure aggression. They can terrify the hyenas with their large bodies and frightening horns until they decide to back off. A group of rhinos is surrounded by a horde of hyenas. The rhinos appear tranquil, yet they are well aware that they are in danger. When a hyena bites the rhino, it defends itself and its kid by forcing the animal away from its body. In the end, the hyenas were no match for the protective rhino's sheer size and strength. This hyena is attacking this rhino's private parts until the rhino has no lefts, which causes a lot of bleeding and weakens the rhino. Instead of launching a full-scale attack right away, the clan proceeds to weaken the animal before striking again. This is what we call smart hunting when the prey is 20 times your size. Number 4. Honey badgers. Honey badgers are little creatures. These animals are low on the ground and normally solitary, but don't be fooled by their size. Honey badgers are formidable opponents. Their bravery is admirable, and they know how to combat even the most dangerous wild animals. As an example, consider a battle between hyenas and a honey badger. Hyenas are courageous, yet they are also cautious. Honey badgers are fearful of their enemies and will hiss at them. The honey badger is shown here racing around, attempting to scare each of the hyena pack members. The hyenas are spooked by its squeals and hops. Although these hyenas would attack any other animal, including lions, look how they approach this honey badger with caution. They regard it as if it were the new kid on the block, and they want to harass it, but the badger isn't your typical youngster. It's a tough nut on the point of going insane, and the hyenas pursue it, unsure if it's a smart idea. I've never seen hyenas be so wary about a possible hunt. Number 3. Leopard. Leopards and hyenas are the archetypal adversaries, and their relationship is best defined as a toxic friendship. In this video, a hyena is eating its lunch when a leopard appears and tries to steal it. The leopard ended in failure because the hyena's bite force was very strong, but the leopard didn't give up because it was starving. Eventually, the hyena got the part he liked and walked away, and the leopard took advantage of the situation by bringing the prey to the tree. Hyena immediately ran to stop it, but unfortunately, it was too late and the leopard enjoyed its lunch without interference. In this video, a hyena and a leopard argue over a dead prey. They both grab the prey and pull on what's left of it. The leopard growls and the hyena laughs, but it's no laughing matter as they continue tugging and trying to steal the kill from the other. The hyena eventually walks away with the prize, if that's what you can call it, and the leopard is content with the leftovers. Number 2. Elephant. Hyenas aren't finicky eaters. They will attack an elephant in the wild if they see one and are hungry. Elephants may become tired of being harassed by hyenas and decide to fight back. Elephants aren't particularly quick, but their large stomping stride and massive, muscular trunks are more than sufficient for combat. Take a look at how the elephant stomps its foot at the lone hyena when the tension grows in this video. Because the hyena is alone and without a pack, it recognizes that now is not the best moment for a battle. When it comes to elephant hunting, hyenas aren't foolish. They won't go after giant elephants, instead, they'll go after small calves. However, they must be cautious because elephants prefer to congregate in large numbers. Number 1. Donkey. People sometimes assume that donkeys are weak creatures incapable of fighting hyenas, but this is not the case with the donkey in this video. While biting, the donkey walked over to drag the hyena and jumped up and down a bit. The hyena screamed in pain but was powerless to fight the donkey. In another video, a donkey is shown on top of a hyena, clearly crushing the hyena with all of his body weight. The donkey successfully made the hyena look like a domestic dog. That's it for today's video. Before you leave, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell below to be notified whenever we upload new video.